everybody? It's James Neal here, and it is Thursday. On Sunday, I finished the install on the 2020 Ranger. Got the door speakers and tweeters and amps and sub under the back seat all hooked up, installed, and got the beauty panel in, got it all looking good. Thought I was going to have a couple of days to sit and edit and get the video out, and then my dad calls me and says, hey, let's go up a tree. So we rope off a tree on Monday. Tuesday we drop six pine trees, and we still got 3 pine trees to go, 3 left. They're about 80 foot tall a piece, and they are not fun to clean up. Dropping them to the ground's a lot more fun than picking up all the brush. But anyways, that's what I've been doing Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I probably hauled and burnt 20 loads of brush so far. I got 10 sitting beside the road for the city to come pick up, but I know how they are. They ain't gonna like that, so whatever. Me and the baby are tired. We're about to go get food. She's not riding like that. We're in the yard. We're gonna park, get in the Ranger, and go get food. But that's how she likes to ride around the yard, and I don't blame her. I wouldn't want to ride around in a car seat anyway. That is my Sniper EFI. It works. It does its job. Over there you have your transmission controller mounted in a very horrible place, but I can see it and use it. There comes my neighbor home. We're getting stuff done. Hopefully, once we get all the brush up and these other 3 trees down, we're going to put some stuff in this truck and get it working right. Namely a transmission, because right now the transmission likes to slip in 3 and 4 once it gets warmed up, and for some reason when it warms up, the pressure on the pressure gauge likes to drop down to about 50 and then it slips. So we're going to have somebody up the hill look at it and see if they can figure out what's wrong with it. Until then, we're going to be playing cleanup on trees. And I'm going to start working on the video for the Ranger. Until then, here's some trees being cut down. You ready? Oh! Peppa said we can do this one without a rope. Giving up too soon. Here it comes. Woo! That was scary, wasn't it? Alright, there's 3 of them down. Looks like he's going straight into 4. He ain't even giving it a break. We like that, don't we? That's how you get her done, son. He's nudging that one this way, ain't he? Think we could hit that? Think we could get hit with this one? That one come within a few feet, didn't it? There it goes. It ain't coming this way. That's a sound right there. What are we doing today? Huh? Say, we're having a fire! See? Fire! Oh. That's what we're doing today, guys. Just trying to play cleanup. I got some of this big stuff in here, stopping my hole up. Trying to let it burn down so I can go pick up some more of that little scratch stuff off the ground. Today's Thursday. These fell on Tuesday. And we got 3 more to go. Well, you can't see it, but there's 3 there. Stay away from the fire. But that's what it is. Real quick before I was putting this video up, y'all want a sneak peek of the audio system in the Rangers? You can't see it. It's hidden. Everything. Except the bass knob. I gotta figure out where to hide the bass knob. Is that where it's going to end up? I don't know. We'll find out. Alright, there's a real sneak preview. That's all you get for now.